tutorial on how to make the ice cream. So we have the ingredients. We have this sugar, flour, sugar, and tapioca flour. We mix this three with cold water, and then we pour it into a container and cook it hot with hot temperature. And then at the same time we put the coconut milk. After it's stirred well, we pour it into the container, and then we serve. For this, we use ice and coarse salt. Thank you.
Today we will show you the process on how we make a traditional Indonesian ice cream called putar. Yeah. So this is the ingredients that we need. First, we have tepung tapioca starch, flour, and then we have sugar, gula. We have santan, milk, and then coconut yang udah diparut. Okay, and this is how to make it. Yes. First, we need to mix the flour, the sugar, and the tapioca starch together. We mix it with cold water. After they are well mixed, we need to pour them into the hot water. And
When they are stirred well, we are going to transfer them into the place where we make it. Therefore,
we need to add
salt around the place
with ice.
Why do you use the salt, Chanel?
We use the salt so the ice can be more colder.
Yes, because it's chemistry. Where you add salt into ice, it lessens the temperature of the ice. Therefore, the ice gets colder, and when you make ice cream, it will be done even faster.
Yeah.
So can you demonstrate on how you stir it?
So you pour this inside the ice in here. And you use this to stir the ice cream inside. Yeah. And use this. Scoop it. You scoop it like this. Like this, and then it becomes ice cream.
Yes, you can put it in
Cone or even
cup.
yes, anywhere.
Anything you desire. That's it from both of us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
First, we have a shredded coconut. Second, we have sugar. Next, we have tapioca. Ice cream, which is also called flour sometimes. And I think this is milk.
Santan itu.
Coconut milk.
Santan ya.
Before you have to for that you need to put this and then put it inside. We use the sugar here, salt put here, and also ice to make it cool and sweet. Next, you spin it. While then,
Okay, be slowly.
and then you spin it.
Yummy. Enak.
This is ice cream with tiga roti.